Ever pondered about what drives Elon Musk's astounding success? Musk, a name that resonates with innovation and forward thinking, has become a beacon of entrepreneurial spirit in our age. Notable for his role in trailblazing companies like Tesla, SpaceX, and Neuralink, his achievements are a testament to his unique approach to success. From revolutionizing electric vehicles to pioneering private space travel and venturing into the realms of neural technology, Musk's feats are undeniably impressive, yet behind these monumental achievements lie 10 core principles that guide his every step. These principles, we believe, hold the key to understanding his success. This video aims to uncover these 10 guiding lights that Musk lives by, principles that have navigated him through the tumultuous seas of entrepreneurship to the shores of success. We will delve into each, exploring their significance and how they've shaped Musk's journey. So without further ado, let's dissect the tenets of Elon Musk's success. First and foremost, Musk is a risk-taker and an innovator. This man has a knack for venturing into fields where success is not guaranteed, but the potential rewards are colossal. He doesn't shy away from industries that others deem too risky. Instead, he sees these areas as opportunities ripe for innovation. Take his investment in Tesla, for example. At a time when electric vehicles were considered a far-off dream, Musk saw a future where they would become the norm, and he took the risk to make it a reality. His belief in the power of sustainable energy and his drive to innovate has propelled Tesla to the forefront of the electric vehicle revolution. Then there's SpaceX. While most would balk at the idea of privately funded space travel, Musk embraced it. He saw the potential for innovation and took the risk. Today, SpaceX is pioneering the future of space exploration. Indeed, Musk's risk-taking and innovation are fundamental keys to his success. Secondly, Musk's work ethic is nothing short of legendary. Imagine this. While most of us clock in a 40-hour work week, Musk is known for his 80 to 100-hour weeks. That's the equivalent of working 2 full-time jobs and then some. It's a testament to his dedication, his passion, and his relentless pursuit of his goals. Musk's work ethic isn't about clocking hours, though. It's about believing in the work you're doing and pouring your heart and soul into it. It's about not shying away from challenges, but facing them head-on. It's about pushing the boundaries of what's possible, not just for yourself, but for humanity as a whole. This level of dedication, this level of commitment isn't for the faint-hearted. It requires sacrifice, determination, and a burning desire to make a difference. In essence, it's about being willing to do whatever it takes to turn your vision into reality. So Musk's relentless work ethic is another cornerstone of his success. Thirdly, Musk's learning ability and adaptability are truly remarkable. He has been known to devour entire books on rocket science in a weekend, transforming himself from a tech entrepreneur to a bona fide aerospace engineer. This self-taught knowledge has not only been instrumental in SpaceX's success, but also proves that with dedication we can master any field, no matter how complex. Yet it's not just his capacity for learning that stands out. Musk's adaptability in the face of adversity is equally striking. When his first few SpaceX rocket launches failed, he didn't give up. Instead, he adapted his strategies, learned from his mistakes, and turned those failures into stepping stones for future success. This combination of relentless learning and adaptability allows Musk to navigate through the most challenging situations, always coming out on top. It's a testament to his belief that knowledge is power and failure is just another opportunity to learn. Hence, Musk's capacity for learning and adaptability is yet another pillar of his success. Fourthly, Musk's ability to focus on core goals is an essential trait. With an unwavering focus, Musk has managed to turn the most audacious of dreams into reality. He has set ambitious targets, be it colonizing Mars or making electric cars mainstream, and has stuck to them with resolute determination. This focus is not without its critics. Many have questioned the feasibility of his ambitious projects, yet Musk's steadfast focus on his vision has allowed him to see beyond the immediate hurdles and naysayers. He has faced adversity head-on, remaining committed to his core goals and continuing to push the boundaries of what is considered possible. His ability to maintain this clear focus amidst chaos is not just admirable, it's inspiring. It serves as a reminder that to achieve great things, one must not only dream big, but also stay focused on those dreams. Clearly, Musk's focus on core goals is another key to his success. Fifthly, Musk's persistence and resilience are awe-inspiring. As we delve deeper into his story, we find a man who is no stranger to setbacks and failures, yet it is his ability to persist that sets him apart. Let's take SpaceX as an example. After 3 unsuccessful launches, any ordinary person might have thrown in the towel. Not Musk. He pushed on despite the odds, and the 4th launch was a success. Musk's resilience is equally remarkable. Imagine having to face the world, your investors, your team after a failure. It's a daunting task, but Musk does it with grace and determination, always ready to learn from the mistakes and move forward. One might say that his persistence is his superpower, his resilience, his shield. It's not about never failing, but about getting up every time you fall. That's the Musk way. Without a doubt, Musk's persistence and resilience are vital to his success. Sixthly, Musk's long-term vision sets him apart. This vision is not a mere figment of imagination, but a beacon that guides him through the tumultuous waters of entrepreneurship. Musk envisions a sustainable future, one where renewable energy is the norm, not the exception. His ventures like Tesla and SolarCity are testaments to this commitment, revolutionizing industries and challenging the status quo. But Musk doesn't stop at terra firma. His eyes are set on the stars, quite literally. With SpaceX, he is paving the way for interplanetary travel. His dream of colonizing Mars is not just about exploration, it's about ensuring the survival of humanity. This long-term vision isn't just about setting ambitious goals, it's about making decisions today that will bring us closer to these goals, even if they seem impossible. It's about taking the road less traveled and creating a path where none existed. Hence, Musk's long-term vision is another essential ingredient of his success. Seventhly, Musk's hands-on leadership style is truly unique. He's not a leader who sits on the sidelines, but rather he gets into the thick of things. His active involvement in the day-to-day operations of his companies is a testament to his commitment and dedication. Musk is known to often work alongside his team, whether it's on the production floor of Tesla or in the design studio of SpaceX. This hands-on approach not only allows Musk to have a direct impact on the products, but it also sends a powerful message to his team. It tells them that their leader is just as invested in the work as they are, fostering a culture of shared responsibility and mutual respect. Furthermore, this deep involvement gives him a clear understanding of the challenges and opportunities his companies face, enabling him to make informed decisions. Clearly, Musk's hands-on leadership is an integral part of his success story. Eighthly, Musk's unique approach to communication and public relations cannot be overlooked. This magnate doesn't just rely on press releases or corporate statements, he takes matters into his own hands, often using social media platforms like Twitter to share his ideas, updates, and even his thoughts on a wide array of subjects. He has mastered the art of communicating his vision directly to the public, making complex concepts accessible and exciting for everyone. This approach not only builds a stronger connection with his audience, but also generates a buzz around his ventures. His public presentations, too, are nothing short of spectacle. He knows how to command a stage, using clear, concise language sprinkled with a dash of humor to effectively convey his message. In a world where information is abundant, Musk stands out by making his communications engaging, transparent, and often unexpected. Undoubtedly, Musk's communication skills contribute significantly to his success. Ninthly, Musk's approach to hiring and team building is worth noting. His strategy revolves around seeking out the brightest minds, regardless of their background, and uniting them towards a common goal. He once said, "Talent is extremely important. It's like a sports team. The team that has the best individual player will often win, but then there's a multiplier from how those players work together." Musk's formula for success doesn't stop at hiring top-tier talent. He fosters an environment where everyone is encouraged to question, challenge, and innovate. This way, he ensures a dynamic work culture that consistently pushes the boundaries of what's possible. He also has a knack for spotting potential in people, often assigning them tasks that seem beyond their capabilities. But more often than not, they rise to the challenge, proving that Musk's faith in them was not misplaced. Indeed, Musk's knack for team building plays a crucial role in his success. Finally, Musk's frugality, especially in the early stages of his career, is a lesson for all. This man, known for his audacious ventures, has always been mindful of his resources. In the embryonic phases of his journey, he lived with meager means, often crashing on friends' couches, saving every penny he could. Why, you may wonder? To invest in his dreams, his companies. His frugality extended beyond personal life, seeping into his business practices. He implemented cost-effective strategies, focusing on lean operations and cost reductions in his companies. He believed in the principle of less is more. He utilized resources intelligently, ensuring maximum output with minimal input. It's not about being stingy, but about being smart with resources. His frugality did not mean compromising on quality or vision. Instead, it served as a catalyst for innovation, forcing his teams to think creatively to achieve goals within constraints. In conclusion, Musk's frugality is a vital aspect of his success. So there you have it. The 10 principles that Elon Musk lives by: risk-taking and innovation, the courage to step into the unknown and create something phenomenal, an unwavering work ethic, the willingness to put in the hours required to see your vision come to life, learning and adaptability, recognizing that knowledge is power and change is inevitable, a laser-like focus on core goals, keeping your eyes on the prize no matter what, persistence and resilience, the determination to bounce back from setbacks stronger than before, a long-term vision, the ability to plan for and work towards a future many can't even imagine, hands-on leadership, leading by example and inspiring others to follow suit. Stellar communication and public relations skills, the knack for connecting with people and winning their trust. Hiring and team building, recognizing that a dream is only as strong as the team that's working to make it a reality. And lastly, frugality, understanding that every penny counts and should be spent wisely. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey. Make yours remarkable, just like Elon Musk's.